Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Of course, on behalf of our Bureau Director, Director Gerald Glenn F. Panganiban, and of course our supportive Secretary, Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. So maraming salamat po sa partnership with Barak.
Hello, mabuhay! I'm Leia Apal. I'm the Tourism Officer of the Municipality of Pangantukan, Bukidnon. Ang gusto ko sabihin about the partnership of Barako and the local government unit of Pangantukan, Bukidnon ay kami ay nagpapasalamat on behalf of our Mayor-elect, now the acting Municipal Mayor Manolito Garces, at ang buong community, the Portolin Talagi Tribal Association dito sa Barangay Portolin ay buong puso na nagpapasalamat sa proyekto ito.
At ako po si Carl Vincent de Cruz Gapasin. Ako po currently ang Craft Research and Production Support Division Chief at ang Program Head Coordinator po ng National Urban and Rural Agriculture Program. So ngayon po ay dito tayo sa Smart Farm Nursery Project po ni of course ni Barako and partnership with different agencies, especially the international agencies and the Bureau of Plant Industry.
I know you are all very wanting to have coffee.
Yes, please.
Me too. We'll do first the Liberica coffee. If I say when you're happy, you drink coffee.